Hi, Dad here from eCommerce.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically fulfill orders on Shopify. When you set up your Shopify store by default, the fulfillment option is set to manual, but you can change the setting to automatic fulfillment. It's the most hands-off way to fulfill your orders and saves you time from having to do it manually, but it's only suitable for some types of products. You can use this option when you don't have any products available for pre-order, you're selling digital downloads, or you're using a fulfillment service. Setting your orders to be fulfilled automatically doesn't apply to local pickup orders. While this method may not be ideal for every e-commerce store, it can be a very effective and efficient way to pack and ship orders. Let me show you how it's done. Go to the admin section of your Shopify store. Click Settings, click Checkout. Under Checkout Settings, go to the Orders Processing section. Look for After an order's been paid and select the first option, Automatically fulfill all the order's line items. I highly recommend that you also select Notify customers of their shipment via email. This way, your customers will automatically get an email when their order is fulfilled. Click on the Save button in the bottom left-hand corner of the page. If you're using a fulfillment service to ship your products, make sure that you have enabled the fulfillment service of your choice. And that's it! If you're trying to optimize your shopping campaigns to make more money, then check out our free Google Shopping course. You'll learn everything you need to optimize and scale your shopping campaigns, all for free. I'll leave a link down below. And if you found this video useful, hit a thumbs up and leave a comment.